So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna take a look at top free websites. So I've already done a part 1 of it, so I'm gonna leave a link of it above up there in the cards. So first of all, we have ColorMind. So ColorMind is technically a website that is can extract color palettes from images instead of finding the most representative colors. It aims to find good colors that work together in a color palette. So what you have to do is just simple. Just click on upload image, then go ahead and browse. Suppose you want this image, so click it and use it. So you can find out the color palettes from the image. So next I have Untools. So Untools is a collection of tools and frameworks that helps you to solve problems, make decisions, and understand systems. So you have different kinds of frameworks or decision making, system thinking, decision making, problem solving. So different categories are there. So from that you can actually take a look at them, then even use them in your life also, most probably, like what is going on, what is success, what is the question. So how you can actually use these things on a day-to-day basis. So the third one which I'm going to talk about is PrivNote. So PrivNote is actually uh, a website which will help you to send notes, like self-destructive notes to someone. So you can create your notes over here, like hello, and then you also have options like note self-destruct after reading, after 7 days from now, like that. You have options, and you also have options to set a password, like whether notification should be sent to you while the note gets destructed. So you have a lot many options. So you can create a note and it will process a link, and this link actually you can send it to someone, and you can also destroy the note if you don't want to send it. So that's it, that's that simple. Next we have JustWatch. So JustWatch is actually a site which will actually suggest you like suppose you have almost all the uh, streaming apps. So it will suggest you based on that, like you can go ahead and click what all streaming apps you have, and it will curate a list and give you like what and all are there to watch, what are great shows and all. So that's that. So it simplifies your movie watching experience. The next one I have is Ninite. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's a great site. So this site will actually help you to download different apps like in a pack. Like if you're on Windows or Mac, mostly it is useful over there. So you can just go ahead and click what and all you want, like you want these apps, just click them and get your, just click your 98, and it just downloads as a pack, which you can actually click on that pack and you can install all the different apps you are gonna click. So that's that simple. The next one I have over here is Snapdrop. So Snapdrop is actually very popular. So it actually helps mostly in sharing files between devices, especially if you're like on Android. If you have an Android phone and iPad, then it becomes much easier to send and receive items with the help of Snapdrop. So that's it guys. These are the top free sites to in the second part. So I'll be again doing a third part most probably whenever I get more of them. So If you have any comments or suggestions, please comment below in the comment box. And if you haven't watched the first part, please, I recommend you to watch the first one also. So that's it, guys.